Welcome to Samyak Tara Academy. Find the ratio of 40 meter to 2 hours. This challenge is accepted by
Ambika.
So Ambika, let's start.
Over teacher.
Congratulations to you. Clap for Ambika.
Hello, my name is Ambika. Today I am going to explain find the ratio of 40 meter to 2 hours. Let's solve. Given 40 meter to 2 hours. Now we solve this problem. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So 2 hours equals to, we don't know. So we have to find out. So 2 into 60 equals to 120. Now 120 upon 40. 40 ones are 40 threes are equals to 3 upon 1. Ratio is 1:3. Thank you. Think and learn. Subscribe my channel.
विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, असंच आमच्यासोबत अभ्यास करण्यासाठी सतत हा व्हिडिओ ऐकत राहा, अभ्यास करत राहा, यश मिळवत राहा. सतत ऐकणे हा अभ्यास करण्याचा साधा आणि सरळ मार्ग आहे. तर अभ्यास करत राहा, यश मिळवत राहा. धन्यवाद.